understand why people don't like Ursula. I agree that she is evil, but still, Ariel signed the contract. The crab warned her, the gold piece warned her, and also the sexy father warned her. Ursula sang the poor unfortunate soul, but still, she signed the contract. She did it for Pete and for Eric. He's not even cute.
They're in love.
Yeah,
Love,
she
love,
did.
love, love. I don't care. He looks like a toothpaste.
Ursula stole her voice and then tried to sabotage
I don't care
her.
because Ursula is a businesswoman and that's called interest. It's a spoiled brat
She
apple.
doesn't know any better, ma. She's only 16.
She doesn't know any better, but they allow her to marry Eric. She got the permission of her father. I saw them stab Ursula with a sheep.
Yeah.
It hurts me.
Yo.
Yeah, I feel it. As if I'm Ursula. You know, we are only doing business.
You're business women, yeah.
Yeah, they cheated us. Moral of the story, Ursula is the victim. Oh my God.